Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can train your AI with your website content. So first of all, you have to go to the agent section. Once you do that, it takes you to this landing page, and then you click on website under training. So you have this. So you're going to click on add data source. This is where you're going to input your website link. I'm just going to input mine, and then I'll click on fetch links. Now what this does is that it's going through your website and it's gathering all the links it can find. So once this is done, you click on fetch links. It highlights all the links that it will get, and you click on train the number of links it will get. So once that is in progress, you're going to have a training is in progress feedback and your status and over here. So you just have to wait for it to get completed. So now this is done, and your every information on your website has been gathered by your AI. So if anyone prompted make an inquiry, it can use the information it has trained itself with from your website to answer the question. Very important, don't forget to turn on the auto sync feature so that as you update more details on your website, your AI also gets updated with the new information. And just like that, you've trained your AI efficiently with your website content.